Welcome. Welcome.
What travelers?
Right size travelers, welcome. Thank you for doing that.
This first station for you, just go ahead and put that credential at the top. Go ahead and put your credential at the top of that table. Okay, go ahead and place your credentials all over here. Or you can just put it right here. Yeah.
As soon as I got home, it was an option to do the 9 to 1 plus some of these in the Bible, and that's how I chose it. I just couldn't see that.
I didn't see it. That's having to do it at work.
I was at work too.
Welcome. I wanted to see your faces when you saw the workshop for the first time. I realize it's a little, but a lot, but to us, it's everything. I see you've met my fellow gatherers. Good. You may call me Kende. Now, to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me clarify. Some of this is new junk. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find, we bring here. So a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter. Those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may very well ensure a future, yes? Now, I'm sure you've all heard the legend of Luke Skywalker. We hear there's another. A new Jedi. Who knows her name?
Ray.
Rey, yes. And what Rey is leading is the spark of hope we have all been waiting for. And that is why you are here. To look ahead to the future. To build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of the builder, with the force flowing to meet him. And today, you will feel that connection. But enough talk. Let's begin, shall we? We start with perhaps the most important aspect of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. Now, the color of the crystal determines the color of the blade. You may know this from some of the great Jedi in our history. Blue crystal, wielded by the great Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker. And of course, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red. Some call this the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past. We are here for the future. You will now choose your Kyber crystal. My friends, close your eyes. And in your mind, what color calls you? Choose your crystal and know that it is equally likely that your crystal is choosing you. Now, open your eyes and take your crystal.
Do you see the color of your crystal?
Well done. You will now join your crystal to the design elements of the saber that you have already selected. My friends, carefully place your crystal on the green crystal holder in front of you. Good. Now, you begin to build your hilts, the foundation of your lightsaber, the center of control, also the part that keeps your hand in the center. Inside these boxes, you'll find the elements designed previously. We're here to help you. You'll find the chassis, activation points, grip, emitter, and pommel cap. Now remember, building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you've chosen your crystal, you will now choose each element of design that makes your lightsaber unique to you. Should you have any questions, our gatherers are walking about the room, feel free to ask them anything. Let's build.
All right, welcome builders. My name's Stacy. I'll be assisting you with your build today. We're going to go ahead and start out with that chassis. That is the center of our build. We want to make sure that we are holding it with the emitter always facing towards the top, and with those lines on the top half as well. Now go ahead and grab those kyber crystals that I've chosen you. We're going to be placing those in the center of our chassis. That top part right here has a little bit of a spring to assist you with snapping them into place. Once they're in there, they will light up, sing, and be able to spin freely. You need to force it in there. Yeah. And once it's in there, just go ahead and spin for it. There we go. It should snap right in there. If you need any assistance, let me know.
Notice that your chassis has
All right, we're going to move on over to our activation plates and column 5 at the very end here. You will see that there are 2 sets of activation plates. You must choose one set. So both places must be from the same set. You'll see on the inside there is either a blue or a red square. That corresponds to the blue or red square on the outside of the center of your chassis. So you want to make sure that those colored squares line up when snapping on your activation plates.
My friends, when you choose, trust your instinct. Never let go.
Once your activation plates are on, go ahead and try that activation switch. Beautiful. You will heal your kyber crystal sparking. That is it attempting to ignite the blade, which it'll not yet. Do you hear your sparking as well?
I have not heard mine.
Go ahead, try your activation switch. There we are. Alright, now we will move on to our grips. Back on the other end of our kits, you will see that there is a selection of 4. You can choose any 2 of those 4. It does not matter from which column or which row. You will see that each one of the grips has a wider end on it. That is the piece that goes in towards those activation plates. You will need one for the top and one for the bottom of the activation plates. After that, you will choose one of the 2 emitters from the 3rd column for the top of your hilt where the blade will emit from, and finally the pommel or end cap for the base. And I'll be right here to assist you.
Grab the next one. You like
Flip that
one?
piece
Or?
right around. Yeah, so those, for yours, actually all the gold ends will be the ones that go in towards the center.
Yep.
Yep, just with a little bit of pressure towards the activation plates, they should tighten on nicely.
You push it down.
Some of you are moving so quickly.